In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a HubSpot login error step by step. If you're stuck on the login screen, not receiving verification codes, or getting unexpected errors when trying to access your account, don't worry, I'll walk you through every possible fix so you can get back into HubSpot quickly. Make sure to watch until the end, because the final steps solve the most common issues people miss. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check if HubSpot is actually down. Sometimes the problem isn't your account, your browser, or your password. It could be a service outage. Open your browser and go to status.hubspot.com. This is HubSpot's official status page. Once you're there, look at the system status indicator. If you see a red indicator showing a major outage, that means the issue is on HubSpot's side, and you'll need to wait until they restore service. If you see a yellow indicator for a partial outage, some tools like workflows, email, or CRM might be temporarily unavailable. If everything is green and operational, then the issue is likely on your end, so continue to the next step. Next, let's disable browser extensions. A lot of login problems are caused by extensions interfering with scripts, cookies, or tracking permissions. If you're using Google Chrome, type chrome://extensions/ into your address bar and press enter. This will open your extensions page. Now temporarily turn off extensions like AdBlock or uBlock, Ghostery, cookie blockers, script blockers, and any VPN extensions. These tools are useful, but they can sometimes block HubSpot's authentication process. After disabling them, refresh the HubSpot login page and try signing in again. If you're still having trouble, the next step is to fix browser-level issues by clearing your cache and cookies. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select Cached Images and Cookies, then Clear. Once that's done, completely close your browser and reopen it before trying to log in again. This step removes corrupted or outdated session data that often causes login loops or error messages. If the issue continues, it might be a password problem. Even if you're sure you're entering the correct password, it's worth resetting it to eliminate that possibility. Go to app.hubspot.com/login/reset-password. Enter your email address and follow the instructions to reset your password. If you don't receive the reset email within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. Also make sure you're checking the correct email inbox associated with your HubSpot account. Now let's talk about two-factor authentication issues. Many users get stuck at the verification stage. If your code isn't working, if you lost your phone, or if your authenticator app is failing, go to app.hubspot.com/login/2FA/recovery. Use the recovery options provided there. If you've completely lost access to your authentication device and don't have backup codes, you'll need to contact your HubSpot account admin. An admin can disable 2FA for your user so you can regain access and set it up again properly. To quickly recap, first, check HubSpot's status page to rule out outages. Second, disable browser extensions that may block login scripts. Third, clear your cache and cookies and restart your browser. Fourth, reset your password. And fifth, use the 2FA recovery option or contact your admin if authentication is the issue. Following these steps will fix the vast majority of HubSpot login errors. If this video helped you solve your problem, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.